Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Solomon. Happy anniversary, happy hair day, happy new beginning, confidence.
Yeah,
Thank
yeah,
you so much for coming to myself with Natural Transplants, trusting in us. Tell us about your journey, tell us about your experience, and tell us what it's done for you.
man. First of all, the procedure, my first experience was great. I mean, first I was a little nervous, but meeting the staff, meeting Dr. Siegel, meeting Casey, everybody, they're all so nice, and it kind of helped me, uh, calm down a little bit, take a deep breath, and then um, it went by smoothly. I didn't feel anything. The staff was great. They kept me, in good spirits the whole way through. And then afterwards, it took a minute for it to grow. It took about 3 to 4 months to first start seeing results, and then after about 6 months, I would say, I started to see a lot of progress, and then, a year later, and it just looks completely, great. And no incision site, can't even see it, don't even know it's there, and I mean, I can't even. The best decision I ever made, honestly.
So I feel like you're teasing the audience because the camera's coming,
Oh,
shooting up at you.
okay.
Go ahead and do the ultimate reveal. Put your chin down and just let it sit there for a second. Awesome. A little bit more down if you don't mind.
Yeah,
Perfect. And now look straight at us. And we also did some temple work. We fine tuned we
looks
squared off
good.
your,
It
let's
looks
see the left
it
side
looks
and the right
great.
side.
It looks great. This is the right side,
Wow.
and then this is the left side.
Now we took off at least, what, 10 years?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I was looking mid 30s, but I'm 24 right now. And I was looking like I was, early to mid 30s. So I'm happy about that. I'm grateful about that for sure.
Now, how recently did you get a haircut?
I got so now I'm starting to cut my own hair now, because I don't want to. I'm tired of spending money and stuff like that. So I learned to cut my own hair. So I actually did it today before I did the interview. So
So let me
I
see.
lined it up a little bit, and but I got an official haircut. I probably got, I want to say, 3 weeks ago, like from an actual barber.
But
But
nobody can find your scar.
nobody even knows it's there. I don't even, like, if I don't bring it up, they won't know it's there. Honestly, it's invisible, completely invisible. Yeah, it's great. It's great. Honestly, you can't even see anything.
And
And
again, we talked about what it's done for your confidence. I mean, it's incredible. Like it's just I've also had the hair transplant myself, so
mhm,
it really changes how you feel about yourself.
it
Just going
does.
to public and uh, communicating with people. And nowadays,
Yeah.
we're doing a lot more FaceTime. We're doing a lot more video calls, and from head on, we have that full head of hair again.
Yeah. It's honestly, it's done so much for my confidence and for just going about everyday life. Just going to the store and picking up, some a bag of chips or something like that. I don't have to think about what hat I'm gonna wear or what outfit goes with this hat. I can just go wake up and just go to the store, and just little things like that just make life so much easier, and it's a huge weight lifted off my shoulder. And again, I can't express enough how grateful, how thankful I am of you guys. And shout out to your staff. I want to shout out, Jenny, Scarlett, and Charles. They made the experience a whole lot more enjoyable, and cracking jokes and stuff. So it was a good time for sure.
Well, I am thankful that you trusted in us, and I want you to know you have my personal telephone number. Every one of my patients gets my personal telephone number. I will always be your hair doctor. If you ever have any questions, you have any concerns, I know you're going to call me.
Oh yeah, for
I
sure.
want you to wear that hair in good health and enjoy it. May you live with years of confidence because of it.
Yeah.
And for some people who are thinking of getting a hair transplant, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. I thank you, Solomon, for volunteering to do a video for us. And if anybody wants a free consult, reach out to me. I'm Siegel.